Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious, sugar-free peanut butter right in your own kitchen. It's surprisingly simple and requires just a few basic ingredients. We'll start by selecting the right peanuts and then move on to the blending process. You'll love how fresh and customizable homemade peanut butter can be, and it's a great healthy option. Once you have your peanuts, the magic happens in the food processor. You'll start by processing them, and they'll go through several stages, from coarse crumbs to a thick, dry paste. Be patient, as this can take 5 to 10 minutes. Keep scraping down the sides to ensure everything blends evenly, and soon you'll see that beautiful, creamy texture emerge. If you prefer a thinner, more spreadable peanut butter, you can add a very small amount of a neutral oil, like a tablespoon of avocado or grapeseed oil. This helps achieve that perfect consistency. You might also want to add a pinch of salt to really bring out the peanut flavor. Blend for another minute or two to fully incorporate everything, then taste and adjust. Once your sugar-free peanut butter is ready, transfer it to an airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 3 to 4 weeks. Natural peanut butter can separate, so just give it a good stir before each use. Now you have delicious, healthy, homemade peanut butter to enjoy on sandwiches, with apples, or in your favorite recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.